Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another I Tell Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. Whoa! So today's video is going to be a little bit about, or mostly about, budget juicing and juicing on a budget. Yesterday I went to work at a smoothie shop and I spent $12 on a smoothie, and if I were to get a cold pressed juice it would be basically the same price. So I wanted to make my own juice at home using the Kuvings Auto 10 Plus with affordable ingredients such as beets. I got a pack of beets from Trader Joe's for $2. There are about 5-6 beets in that $2 pack. I got a huge pack of carrots from Aldi for about $2. And then you can get, I believe, Gala or Fiji apples from Aldi as well for about $3. With the price you spend on all of them, you can basically make like a gallon of juice. But today I'm just gonna be using 4 apples, 5 carrots, and 1 beet to make a budget juice. Today is the very last day of the Kuvings Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. It is over $200 off the juicer I'm using today. This is the best time of the year to purchase this product, and it's also the best cold pressed juicer on the market. It's one of the only cold pressed juicers that come to the stainless steel blade. All other competitors do have a regular plastic blade, by the way. And included in the price is, of course, your cold pressed juicer strainer, but also a sorbet and smoother strainer as well. And the Auto 10 Plus also comes with an amazing extender, which is perfect for batch juicing and juicing large things like carrots, full apples, and other. Not too much chit chat. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So whenever I use this juicer and I show myself juicing whole apples without cutting out the core, I always get comments from people saying, hey, you need to take out the core. And one thing I also love about this juicer is that I don't have to take out the core. I don't have to take out the seeds. If you didn't know, apple seeds do have cyanide, and a lot of people think that you can get poison from eating just like a couple apple seeds. To be honest, you would need like 200 apple seeds at one time to suffer from that cyanide poisoning. But anyways, the juicer actually separates the seeds into the pulp, so it removes the seeds from the apples. I never have to chop up my apples, and I'm able to get as much juice as I can out of my apples, because I feel like when you are coring your apples, you can sometimes lose quite a bit of juice because you're just wasting produce. So I love that this juicer allows me to be able to get the most amount of juice possible out of all of my produce, and it's even more budget friendly. So this is the amount of juice that I got from the produce. It was about 4 apples, 5 carrots, and 1 beet. This is well over 1 liter of juice. Fresh cold pressed juice. I did want to say really quickly that one reason why having a cold pressed juicer is so much better than having a regular juicer that is high speed because your nutrients last much longer in a cold press juicer. The nutrients in this juice will last for about 72 hours, that's 3 days, whereas the cheaper juicers that make a huge mess and the ones that basically obliterate the produce and essentially blend it, those nutrients are only going to last for 30 minutes. After that, it essentially turns into like a sugar water. It's not necessarily that the juice will expire, but it's more of that the juice's nutrients are going to fade after 30 minutes, whereas the nutrients in this will last for up to 72 hours. This is such a simple juice. It's beets, carrots, and apples. It smells incredible. Beets are so amazing for detoxing. If you have to go to the bathroom, you feel a little stuck up, you feel constipated, you're gonna use the bathroom after this. Like, you will be fine after this. Even if you want to do just beets, I love it. Let's go ahead and pour up. Okay, this looks super gorgeous. Let's try a taste. Ooh! Oh Lord! Oh Lord! Tastes good. I don't know about you guys, but I love cold pressed juice, especially when I feel like I'm not getting enough nutrients in the day. I'm feeling super busy. I can just pour up a small glass of this and I feel amazing. Like I said, this will be able to last for 72 hours, but with me, I don't know. Maybe it'll last a day because this is so delicious and it has so many health benefits. But yeah, I really wanted to share this with you all today. There are literally only a few hours left of the Cyber Monday Black Friday sale of Kuvings offerings. They're offering 30% off all juicers and blenders. That is over $200 off the Kuvings Auto 10 Plus. And if you ask me, especially during this sale, it is literally the best price and the highest quality cold pressed juicer to get. The sale ends at midnight, which is in a few hours. I wanted to also say that Kuvings also offers a 15-year warranty, which is a lot better than some of the cheaper juicers, the ones that run for about like 100 or so, because I had a cheaper juicer and it kind of broke down after like 2 years and there was no warranty. So I really enjoy buying products with warranties. As mentioned before, you can use code ITALEAT30 and link in the description box. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this juice. I hope you all have a lovely day no matter where you are in the world. I'll see you on the next one. Kisses and bye.